Welcome to Thebes, 1250 BC.
There! Shut up! Hori called in sick from a scorpion bite, and Paiser is brewing beer again. You think we're slaves being beaten with whips? Hollywood lied to you. In reality, we are free craftsmen, paid fair rations for our work. And trust me, in this era, we also call in sick because we were too drunk the night before, just like you. Today, try living a day through my eyes. An ordinary day, but it's the boundary between life, death, and cosmic order. Last night was too hot. We slept on the roof. This is my home, my family's humble shelter. My wife, Nefert. Women here have more power than you'd think. She can own property, inherit, even seek divorce. Luckily, we love each other. Breakfast starts with beer, thick, nutritious, safer than water. The Nile. It's not just water. It's a god, our highway, our calendar. Priests check the water levels daily. If it fails, we starve. The flood brings rich black silt. It's the difference between life and death. Welcome to Karnak. This work is brutal and bone-crushing. But we do it with pride. We aren't just stacking stones. We are literally keeping the universe from collapsing into chaos. Listen closely. The most important concept in Egypt is Maat, cosmic order. Deep inside, where I can never enter, the pharaoh and priests perform sacred rituals. They must wash, dress, and feed the god of the sun every single day. Think it's superstition? If they stop, the sun won't rise, and the world ends. We bleed out here in the dust to keep the world balanced in there. Paid in coins? No. My salary is just sacks of wheat and jugs of beer. While that noble eats roasted beef and imported wine. My family will eat onions, garlic, and maybe a fish from the Nile. Inequality is eternal. Karnak Temple is for the elite. Here at home, we pray to these little gods. The Ugle god Bes scares off demons, and Taweret, the hippo goddess.
She is everything to us right now. My wife is pregnant.
In an era where childbirth easily takes a woman's life, Taweret is our only hope. The day ends. But do you know what haunts Egyptians the most? Not this life. It's what happens after we close our eyes. Our ultimate goal is the Field of Reeds, a perfect, eternal Egypt where harvests never fail. But to get there, my heart will be weighed against the feather of truth. If I lived a good life, my heart is light, and I enter eternity. But if my heart's heavy with malice, the demon Amit devours my soul. I don't go to hell. I just cease to exist. Complete nothingness.